I think a lot of you are interested in.
Yeah.
Financial freedom,
Big topic.
huge topic, right?
Yeah.
And, you know,
Who doesn't want it?
who doesn't want it? Exactly.
Yeah.
We found this great piece. It basically breaks down how to build an investment portfolio that can set you up.
Oh, yeah. And it really could change your life, like no more 9 to 5.
Exactly. Like work because you want to, not because you have to.
Exactly. Yeah, if you choose to.
That's the dream. So where do we even begin?
Well, our source breaks it down into 4 major asset types to focus on.
Okay. Love it when things are broken down into like clear categories. So let's hear it.
So first up, we've got dividend stocks.
Yeah. Yeah. Dividend stocks.
You know, those classic big companies sharing their profits.
Right. Like getting a little piece of the pie just for owning the stock.
Exactly, and that's the beauty of it. And here's a really cool tip. If you reinvest those dividends over time, you can actually cut your investment timeline like almost in half.
Whoa, really? That's pretty significant.
It is. It's the power of compounding.
Yeah, compounding, I've heard that's like the secret weapon.
It's like a snowball effect for your wealth.
Nice.
And by the way, we'll put some links about the power of compounding in the end cards for you guys to explore more on that.
Awesome. So be sure to check those out. So patience and dividends, got it. What's next?
Okay, let's move on to something I think most people are familiar with. Real estate.
Real estate. Yeah, I mean, we all get rent, right?
Exactly. And that steady cash flow from rent is one of the huge advantages of owning real estate.
Okay, makes sense.
But there's more to it than just the cash flow.
Oh, okay, like what?
You're also building equity when you own property.
Equity.
Yeah, think of it as the portion of your property that you actually own. As your property value goes up, so does your equity.
Gotcha. So it's like your money is growing in 2 ways at the same time.
Exactly. You're getting that cash flow and your investment is increasing in value.
That's pretty sweet.
And here's where things get really interesting.
Okay, lay it on me.
Refinancing. You can actually use that built-up equity to your advantage.
How's so?
Let's say the value of your property goes up, right?
Yeah.
You can refinance your mortgage, pull out some of that extra equity as cash, and then use that cash to buy another property.
Wow. So it's like leveraging your initial investment to grow your portfolio even faster.
Exactly. That's why real estate can be such a powerful wealth-building tool.
Okay, I'm starting to see the appeal here. All right, what's the next asset class? What have we got?
Okay, this one's got a bit more of an entrepreneurial angle.
Okay, I like it. Spill the beans?
Cash flowing businesses.
Ah, okay, I see where you're going with this.
Yeah, think franchises, think online businesses, anything that generates consistent income.
Right, so instead of getting dividends from a company, you're creating a company that generates income.
Exactly. And there can be some great tax advantages with this route, too, depending on how you structure things.
Right, tax benefits are always a good thing.
Running a business, of course, it requires more hands-on involvement.
Yeah, for sure. It's not totally passive income.
Right. But OT, you can hire skilled managers to help run things so it can be more hands-off.
Okay, that makes it a bit more appealing, not tied down 24/7.
Exactly. It's about building systems and teams that can work for you, even when you're not directly involved in the day-to-day.
Gotcha. Freedom with some responsibility.
All right, I'm ready for the last asset class. This is the one everyone's probably waiting for, right?
Yeah, this is the exciting one. Startups.
Ooh, startups. High risk, high reward. Is that how the saying goes?
It's true. The potential for massive returns with a successful startup investment is definitely there. It can be absolutely life-changing.
Yeah, like imagine getting in on the ground floor of the next Amazon or Uber.
Exactly. Those early investors are definitely laughing all the way to the bank now.
My bet. But I have a feeling there's a but coming.
Well, it's important to remember that startups are speculative by nature. Not every startup is going to be the next big thing.
Yeah, that makes sense. So don't go putting all your eggs in one basket, right? Exactly. You need to manage risk and only allocate a small portion of your portfolio to this asset class.
Makes sense. So,
Yeah, always do your research, folks.
okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have, yeah.
Dividend stocks, real estate, cash flowing businesses, and startups.
A diverse range of options.
Yeah, but how do we put it all together? Like, how do we actually achieve this financial freedom?
That's where diversification comes in. You want a balanced mix of assets that generate income, offer growth potential, and manage risk.
So it's not just about picking the hot investment. It's about crafting a strategy that fits your goals.
Exactly. And just as important as picking the right investments, you need financial literacy.
Oh yeah, knowledge is power, right?
Absolutely. Understanding how these investments work, the risks involved, making informed decisions, that's key.
Love that. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial future.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
And hey, while you're feeling empowered, Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives like this one.
We've got tons of great content coming your way.
And if you found this deep dive helpful, share with a friend who might be interested in learning more about financial freedom.
Let's spread the knowledge. The more informed we all are, the better.
All right, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us. Remember, financial freedom is achievable. It all starts with knowledge, making smart decisions, and taking action.
Small steps can lead to big changes.
Couldn't agree more. We'll see you in our next deep dive.
See ya!